Alright, so it's quarantine day number 976. And back at the table, fixing the car. Nothing major. I mean, it's kind of major, but it's working without. But I actually broke right in there. Zoom in. The heads of the screws off. So I've been taping this together. And I tried to drill those out. Failed. I was like, well, basically it's going to destroy the chassis to get those out. So got one on Amazon, and it's black. So continuing the black and green and purple theme, throw this on and then see how many batteries I can get through. Ordered a couple more gold bats because, well, can't have enough batteries. And eventually want to go to something 4S, 6S, for sure 4S. But anyway, swap all this over, and we're going to go out and find some field where there are no people and have some fun. So, like, 3/4 check-in. This is actually way easier than I thought. The front end, I forgot, this comes off just those 3 screws, and you're there. And so I went on and replaced with some hex button heads that I had in the old tackle box. So I did forget to actually order the original screws that came in here, but oh well, I wanted something a little bit different anyway. Switching to hexes and I already had these. So yeah, almost done. Alright, so everything is swapped out. If I would have actually just kind of powered through, could have had it all done in like, I don't think you can do it like 15-20 minutes. It's not really all that hard. I went through kind of examining stuff, but man, I like it. It's an old chassis. Like I was saying, you might be able to see a little bit better now with those right in here. That's where those screws are broken off in there. And at this point, it's like, yeah, there's no real sense in trying to drill those out. That's gonna break anyway. So all done. Time to go play.